What's up, guys? We're at Walmart. The machine looks pretty good. There's a purple Taz that I really want, TV brick, black Happy Bird I think I can rake in. So yeah, let's play. I got $6 in quarters with me today. So well, there's a lovebird right there too. Let's try to rake the TV brick in first. Just like that, sweet. Let's go for the lovebird. Yeah, let's go for the lovebird. It stabbed it. Yeah, I don't know. There's a red Tweety right there too. It's kind of cool. Let's go for the black toucan Happy Bird again. I mean, let's go for him. Some Betty Boops. Right here. There we go. Okay. Yeah, let's go for the black Happy Bird. Oh, I stabbed it. I was afraid to do that. Let's go for the purple Taz. We'll come back to the black Happy Bird. Let's go for the purple Taz. I think that's what I said that before. Oh, it stabbed the Happy Bird. Crap. Maybe. I got a suggestion from 3756 Will, and he said just to drop it in the right corner and just to rake stuff over. So I might do that at the end. Right now I'm trying to clear stuff out. So yeah, I'll do that at the end for sure. Thanks for the tip, Will. But yeah, let's try to rake this Happy Bird in. This black Happy Bird. Don't stab the football. Get in there. Get in there. Oh, crap, I'm running out of time. Yep. Running out of time. It's alright though. I think I can get the black Happy Bird. If we get in between that gap right there. Okay, let's go for black Happy Bird again. Love this claw machine. It's like epic. Favorite one by far. Yes. Alright, get in there. It's right there. Come on. Oh, I ran out of time. Look at that. I might be able to shake it in. We're getting this Happy Bird though. Alright, let's get this Happy Bird. Should be no problem. Nice, got the Happy Bird. Let's go for the lovebird now. Hopefully it doesn't stab anything. Let's try that. Oh, I don't know. I really want that purple Taz. There's a heart thing. Maybe I can loop it in the heart and pick it up. I don't really know what it is. I think it's just a heart, which is just some generic plush. Let's go for the purple Taz a couple more times, and then we'll use 3756 Will's tip of dropping the claw in the right corner. Let's go for purple Taz. Come on, baby, I really want this purple Taz. Come on, get in there. He's in a bad position. I don't really know how to get him. Or does he even have a tag? I don't think he even has a tag. Yeah, I don't think he has a tag. You the Ghostbusters guy? I don't know. Let's do 3756 Wolves tip and try to drop it in the right corner and rake a lot of stuff over. So let's do that right now. Rake a lot of stuff over. It kind of works out. We're out of time. That helped it kind of a little bit. So Valentine Betty Boop, maybe I can get. I want a Lovebird. I don't really want any generic flush. I play for. Try to get like licensed flusher like Lovebirds or Happy Birds, which want to be high. But yeah, I don't. Red Tweety might be gettable actually. If I can. Let's drop the claw on this heart thing. I don't really know. It's kind of gettable. It depends on how Claw Strong is today. But yeah, let's go for the heart thing. I don't know. That was kind of epic fail by me. I just wasted 50 cents. What to go for? Okay. What else to go for? I'm just gonna leave the heart thing there. I don't think it's anything special. I'll let somebody else get it. I might go for the Betty Boop. I might go for the Happy Bird Red Tweety, but I gotta move the hat. It's kind of in the dead zone though. Purple Taz I want, but it has no tag. Let's go once on the Betty Boop. This heart Betty Boop right back here. So I can get around its heart. Stab it, get off it. Oh, stay. Betty Boop, come on, stay. Oh, you suck, I hate you. Oh my gosh. I might still be able to get her. I still don't know though. It sucks. Let's try and see if I can get her. If not, then this machine just screwed me. Try to get one claw in her arm kind of thing. until it stops. It's in her. Come on. Oh my gosh, I hate you. Well, as a result, it just screwed me. It really pisses me off. I don't know, it just made the Tweety ungettable now. So I don't know what to go for. Maybe I can get in the loop with the headphones. I don't know. Let's just try to rake this TV brick over. I don't really want it. I already have one. I just want it. Okay. Can I go up? I don't know if I can go up anymore. I'm running out of time. I'll just go for the TV brick. Swing technique. Oh. Crap. That screwed me. Well, let's see, how many tries do I have left? 2 tries left, guys. Dang it. I really wanted that Betty Boop. I don't have any Betty Boops, guys. And now if I drop in the heart, it's gonna probably screw me again and just drop it. But let's see if I can get in the loop of this headphones. It's near it. I still don't know if it's gonna. I'm just gonna wait until it runs out. Oh, I missed it. Taz actually is gettable. Well, I'm gonna try for Taz now. Okay, come on, Lord. Please let me get this purple Taz. One under its crotch. I want it to stab anything. Well, I'm broke now. Taz is really gettable. I'm just gonna leave him there. He doesn't have a tag anyway. I got 2 awesome prizes, so I got a TV brick which I probably can sell, and I got this. I got a black Happy bird. So yeah, please subscribe, rate, and comment for more claw machine videos, guys. And yeah, thank you guys for watching.